Hey
Hello
everyone,
welcome back to our channel.
Today we're doing something a little different, not really different, but we're doing a grilled steak. And what is it? A sirloin?
Top sirloin steak.
Top sirloin. It's about 2 pounds with grilled zucchini
And onions.
and onion that's been marinated in olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And then our Jean is going to saute some shrimp. And how are you going to do that? In the pan?
In the pan, I'm gonna do garlic butter and garlic spicy.
Okay.
Spicy sauce.
So, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but we already got the grill going. It's almost ready. So we're going to have to rock and roll here to get everything done. So,
yes. And it's hot in here.
And it's hot in here or out here? It's hot out here, cool in there. Anyway,
Cool in there.
so enjoy.
We're ready.
We are ready, and we are starving. We're actually eating early today. Usually it takes us forever when we do a video, and by the time we get done, we're starving and we're ready to bite each other's heads off. But today we, right? But today we started earlier. So we have the top sirloin. I spiced it with some garlic powder, salt, and sea salt or garlic salt, and what did I say? Oh, and pepper.
Butter.
And then on top of it, in honor of Ace, we did the butter with, what is it? Fresh garlic.
Rosemary.
Rosemary. Did you do the chives too?
Chives.
Fresh chives and rosemary. Those are all from our garden. And then
one of my favorites. Ta-da! Look, this is so big.
look
See?
at the size of those things. If you're in the water, they'll attack you. They're that big. We got those from our buddy Seafood Steve.
Seafood Steve.
Just yesterday, a day before yesterday. And you sauteed those with butter,
garlic,
fresh garlic again,
and then garlic chili sauce.
and a garlic chili sauce. I think that's the Vietnamese garlic chili sauce that we always get.
Spicy.
And it's spicy. And then we have, sorry, and then we have the grilled veggies.
Grilled zucchini and onions.
And they were marinated in extra virgin olive oil and
Balsamic vinegar.
balsamic vinegar.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. What else?
Wow! This looks
Are you
so
ready?
Good. I'm ready.
Okay. Well, I'm going to start.
Kain!
Kain.
So, we've been talking about you, Ace. Sa aking pinakagwapong pinsan, Ace Taluban. Thank you for suggesting this.
Mmm.
It looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Wow, this is all meat. Wow.
So, when we see you, Ace, we're cooking this. Next time we visit, we'll still sneak away to get some what is it? We always get some shomai up at the market, you and I. But we're gonna cook this too.
Wow, I love this.
Are you in love? She's in love with the shrimp. Oh, and we're having special, what is it, mango orange juice. All right?
The sauce is so good.
So remember that sauce. It's real simple, huh?
Wow, yeah.
And you just put the sauce in last, or I mean the chili.
No, I mix them all together at once.
Oh, so, well, I thought you started the garlic first.
Butter, garlic, and then add the sauce.
Yeah, and then you added the sauce. Look at the size of that big boy.
Another very good Dutch dinner.
So, thank you for joining us.
Thank you guys for
And-
always watching our videos.
Thanks for our, what is it? 14 million, no, how many viewers?
I don't know how many we got.
But anyway, thanks to our viewers.
Thank you to all the viewers.
If you like the video, like, share, smack the like button. Help me out here.
Subscribe.
Share, subscribe.
Share and hit the notification bell
That's right.
for more videos coming. Is that the one?
And if you have any questions, or if you're like Ace
Suggest.
and you're just hungry, give us a suggestion. We'll give it a shot. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.